Hey, Fortnite fans! Are you frustrated because you can't log in and play your favorite game? Wondering why the Fortnite servers are down? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into why this happens and how you can fix the servers not responding issue. Let's jump right in. What's up, gamers? It's Jack here with another epic video. If you're watching this, chances are you've encountered the dreaded Fortnite servers not responding error. But don't worry, we've got your back. First, let's talk about why this is happening. Fortnite servers can go down for a number of reasons. One of the most common is scheduled maintenance. Epic Games often performs maintenance to update the game, fix bugs, and improve overall performance. They usually announce these downtimes on their official social media channels, so always keep an eye out for those updates. Another reason could be unexpected technical issues. These can range from server overloads due to high traffic, especially after a new update or event, to problems with the servers themselves. Sometimes, third-party services that Fortnite relies on, like cloud providers, might experience issues, causing the servers to go down. And let's not forget about potential cyber attacks. Unfortunately, DDoS attacks can target game servers, causing disruptions and making it impossible for players to connect. Epic Games works hard to mitigate these attacks, but they can still cause temporary outages. So now that we know why Fortnite servers might be down, let's talk about what you can do to fix the servers not responding issue when it's on your end. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and working properly. Restart your router if necessary. Second, verify the status of Fortnite servers. You can do this by visiting the official Epic Games status page or checking their Twitter account for any announcements. Third, try restarting your game or console. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connection issues. If you're playing on a PC, make sure your game is up to date. Go to the Epic Games launcher and check for any available updates. If all else fails, consider contacting Epic Games support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot any persistent issues you're facing. And there you have it. The next time you encounter the servers not responding error, you'll know exactly what to do. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the game. Keep gaming, stay awesome, and remember, when in doubt, check those servers out. Support us, be with us.